I may have lied to you, not intentionally. Hey sitters, welcome back to another video. It's Lydia, thanks for joining me. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any awesome tips and tricks on how to become a better babysitter. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your support and I'm glad you're here. So on this channel, I talk about how to become a better babysitter by being organized, creating a babysitting bag to take with you, creating craft kits. If you don't know what a craft kit is, I'll link the video down in the description below so you can check that out. I talk about planning activities so that when you get to the house, you know exactly what you want to do with the kiddos. I talk about being present with the kids and really joining in on what they want to do. And over the past couple months, I feel like I haven't been doing what I preach to you guys. I haven't been doing what I've been telling you guys to do. And that's where I feel like I have failed you guys along with my kiddos and sometimes me. 6 months ago, my grandmother moved in with us. She has stage 4 cancer and her sight is not completely there. Back when she moved in with us, she was really capable of doing a lot of things on her own. She just needed a little bit of help here and there. And so we as a family thought it was safer if she moved in with us. Within the last 3 months, her health has declined, as it does with cancer. And so she's needed a lot more help than what she previously needed when she first moved in with us. So with that being said, my priorities changed and shifted. My number one priority was that my grandmother's health was being taken care of, that she was getting what she needed. My priority was her. And so other things were not happening, I guess you'd say. I still had to focus on school and just family stuff. So I put babysitting on the back burner. I didn't have much time to prepare myself for babysitting, or I didn't find it as important as I did my grandmother's health. So I didn't prep or gear my babysitting bags towards the kids that I was babysitting for. I didn't have time to put together craft kits before I went. I stopped creating activities or planning activities for kids to do. I sometimes hate to admit this, but sometimes I wasn't present. I was there, obviously, but I didn't feel present in what I was doing with the kids. I was there doing the motions, but I didn't feel like I was putting in my all into it, and my kids definitely noticed. With all that being said, I want you guys to realize that life throws curveballs, and it is not going to be perfect. I do have a personal life outside of YouTube, outside of babysitting, outside of my business, and sometimes that has to take priority, in which this case it did, and that I cannot always be that perfect babysitter that I preach here on this channel. So life gets you off track. You just got to get right back on track, and that is what I've been doing the past couple weeks and what I'll be doing in the next couple weeks coming up. It's just getting back on track and really becoming that babysitter that I want to be. When you watch people here on YouTube, you get this idea that their life is grand and dandy and their life is so perfect and they got it all together. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the truth. And I hope I didn't lead you to think that I am the perfect babysitter and I've got my stuff together, because life does happen and it gets in the way sometimes. Not in the way. There's life changes that happen to you all the time, and that can affect other things, positively or negatively. It depends on how you look at it. But I've been open and honest with you guys this whole time, and I'm here to say that as soon as we're done filming, I have a personal life to attend to outside of babysitting, outside of my business, outside of school sometimes, and sometimes it throws off everything else, and that's okay because we can get right back on track by easing into it, one thing at a time, and becoming that babysitter that we strive to be. I just wanted to be open and honest and upfront about how my personal life has changed a little bit of what I've been doing in my babysitting and my babysitting business. If you guys haven't already, go check me out on Instagram because we do post behind the scenes stuff there. I appreciate you guys so much, and thanks for watching.